crypto markets never close, which is actually amazing. So right here, I entered a short position, which is a sell trade. So that means that if the market starts to go down, then we're going to be able to make some money. And then this is where I set my stop loss, which means that if the market comes to here, I'm going to be stopped out of my trade so I don't lose more. I always use stop loss because it's very important to always stay safe. All of the profit that you guys will ever see is just a side effect of safety, guys. Remember that profit is just a side effect of safety. Now, over here, that's where my stop loss is, and down here, that's where my take profit is. So when the market comes down here, then we're gonna close the trade automatically in profit. Now, we have this trade open, and the reason that I entered this trade was because of the range bars. Now, a lot of people are wondering, okay, what are the range bars and how do they work? So first of all, the range bars are on our website and they run on all the markets, so you guys can see they run on forex, crypto, commodities, and indices, as well as equities, so stocks. Now, if you guys want access to this, it's completely free. All you have to do is give me a follow and join the Discord link in the bio, guys. And you guys can get access to the range bars, a whole bunch of information, training videos, things like that. And it's completely for free. And guys, congratulations to anyone who's following along. Our trade is already in profit. So congratulations. That was amazing. That was really fast. And you guys know that's what it is. We're here every single day doing these live trades, showing you guys exactly step by step, A to Z, exactly how I do what I do. Now, if you guys want to know where I'm trading, because a lot of people, that's their first question. They're like, okay, where do I go? Where do I start? So, where I have my trading account is abado.com. So if you guys are looking for a good platform to trade on, where you can actually trade all of the markets, so you guys can see they have all of the markets here: stocks, commodities, equities, indices, whatever you want. Gold, Nasdaq, everything. Because you guys know I trade gold, Bitcoin, and Nasdaq. Those are the three pairs I trade most. So this is where I'm trading right now, abado.com. And then if you guys want access to the range bars is what I use as my main indicator to enter and exit trades. If you guys want to know where to access the range bars, just go to our website, jststream.com. And guys, the main thing I want to say is if you guys want to be part of a huge community that's the whole point was to be able to benefit each other, and you don't have to pay. It's completely free. There's no VIP section or any of those catches. All you got to do is give me a follow right up here, join the Discord link, it's in the bio. And you guys, if you want to set up, for example, a one-on-one session or anything like that, or if you have any questions for me, you guys can ask me in the Discord, but also ask me in the chat, because that's what I'm here for. I want to make sure that all of your questions get answered, guys. And here we go. We're starting to see the red candle form on the range bars. So this is why I entered a short position. This is why I'm in a sell trade. All right. Hey, Thomas, what's up? How are you guys doing? So yeah, so Thomas is already joined up in the Discord. Amazing. And hopefully you're using the range bars because they're there. They're running 24/7 directly off of our servers. So how do the range bars work? I'm going to explain that to you. And there we go. We're starting to see that the market is, starting to hopefully come down from here. Now, what are the range bars? I'm going to explain this to you guys because I think it's very important to understand what it is. Then we can go ahead and see how we use it. So the range bars, as you guys can see, they Thomas is saying use the strategy and it's been wealthy. Okay, amazing. That's amazing to hear, and that's what it's all about. I just want to come here and show you guys what it is that I do and how I make so much money every single day. And by so much, I mean anywhere between like $200 to $500 a day. That's what my goal is. $200 to $500 every day, and it takes me about 2 to 3 hours to make that. Now, right here, the range bars are only based on points. That's why if you look at the range bars, they look very clean and easy to read. So here we're going up, here we're going down, here we're going up, and it's very easy to read. Whereas if we look at this chart, I don't think there's anyone, like any of you guys who are watching or anyone on this planet that knows what these candles mean. And I'm going to explain to you why. The reason is because these are time-based candles, and time has nothing to do with the market. Now, a lot of people are going to be analyzing, oh, like look at this candle, it's a big candle, and no, the market has nothing to do with time. Time is a randomized variable, and the market is a completely separate thing. So the time is continuous, and now you're just saying, oh, this candle is bigger, this candle is small. No,